You have 1 minute for God? This is a serious question. I know I ask it a lot, and I know you hear this a lot on social media and on whatever you doom scroll on. But the thing and the reality of this is it's way more serious than it seems. Do you have 1 minute for God? Like, is the only time you spend time with God when you're on social media or when you are in church? Because that's not how it should be. You should be consistent in the word and in prayer, in your closet relationship. This relationship we have with God isn't a 1 minute thing. You can doom scroll for 3-4 hours and rot your brain, but you can't read the Bible even for 20 minutes a day. Like, are you really following God? That's my question. And I'm being honest. I'm not judging you guys. I also struggled with this, but you have to realize that your mind must change. Your focus must change to what actually matters. Stop focusing on the things of this world, because what is consuming more of your time? God or the things of this world? It's a simple question. But when you realize that most of your time is actually going to things that won't benefit you or your relationship with God, why are you spending all of your time on it? That's all I want to say. Have a blessed day further.